Kalat na ang chika na nagkabalikan na raw ang ex-celebrity couple na sina Elijah Canlas at Miles Ocampo. May mga naririnig na balita na nagkausap ng masinsinan ang dating magjowa at nagdesisyon na bigyan ng second chance ang kanilang pagmamahalan. Isang source ang nagsabi na totoong nabuksan uli ang komunikasyon nina Elijah at Miles kaya posible raw na magkabalikan ang dalawa pero sa pagkakaalam niya, hanggang friends pa lamang sila. Sa panayam ng ABS-CBN sa 6th The Eddie's Best Actor, mukhang hindi nga imposibleng magkaroon ng part 2 ang love story nina Miles at Elijah. Natanong siya ni MJ Felipe sa taping ng FPJ Batang Quiapo, kung kasama ba sa personal goals niya ngayong 2024 ang magkaroon ng bagong love, ang sagot ng binata, looking for love. What if love pa? Na tila nais ipahiwatig na mahal pa niya si Miles. Pero paglilinaw ni Elijah, there's always love within us, right? There's always love within us and I have so much love to give. You know, honestly I have so much love to give. So much love inside of me and I'm willing to give it to anyone who's willing to accept. Aniya pa. Kasunod nito, inamin ni Elijah na friends na nga sila uli ni Miles at nagkakausap na rin. Sa diretsahang tanong kung nagkabalikan na ba sila ng aktres at Eat Bulaga, The Barkads, we're friends. You'll be the first to know. Noong November 2023, kinumpirma ni Elijah na naghiwalay na sila ni Miles dahil sa ilang personal problems. Samantala, matindi rin ang ginawang paghahanda ng premyadong aktor para sa pagpasok niya sa FPJ Batang Quiapo, kung saan gaganap siya bilang Pablo Caballero. Ang apo ni Don Facundo, Jaime Fabregas, at Seniora Bettina, Tessie Tomas. Honestly, there was a different role offered to me. It's a type of role na I've done before kaya I really thought hard about it even if I wanted to join Batang Quiapo so much. Kasi ang dami kong nababalitaan eh. The experience about being part of the show, sa shoot, ang ganyan-ganyan. Nung una we were hesitant pa. And we were so honored kasi Kuya Coco thought of a role for me ito nga si Pablo Caballero. Aniya pa sa panayam ng ABS-CBN. And nung nakwento yung trajectory nung role, game na agad. Yes na agad, say ni Elijah nang makausap niya ng masinsinan ang lead star ng Batang Quiapo. For the past months, we've been doing workshops. Up to now, it's still ongoing, stunt training, gun training, even acting workshops kasi may different formula yung style of acting here sa Batang Quiapo, and we had to learn that, dagdag pa niya. Sobrang nanibago, pero it was fun. It was something new for me. Something challenging. Something that I have never done before, this style of acting. This type of show, dagdag pa niya nang sumabak sa taping ng serye.